So as you can see, we do have an issue. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I thought I would give you guys a bit of a show of the R34. I'm going to give a first cold start. It's been months since I've started it. I thought it would be pretty cool to show you guys the R34 up and running. Show you that, yeah, it still does run. But yeah, there's a few issues going on that I will show you. But yeah, let's go ahead. Let's give it a cold start for the first time in months and see if this bad boy turns over. Let's do it. All right. There you go. Prime it properly. Straight on. Yeah, I'm talking about this Skyline rumble. So as you can see, we do have an issue. Yeah, she's smoking from the turbo. Then there's oil leaking down from the turbo somewhere onto the manifold. So oil's dripping onto a hot pipe down there, and then it's smoking. So if you can see down there, yeah. So we do unfortunately have an issue with the turbo, yeah, and smoking quite a bit, so it's not safe to run at all or drive. I wanted to at least show you guys that, yeah, this is probably going to have to require a rebuild, or it's a seal or something that's gone. And just in there, let's focus in there, so it's wet and there's oil dripping down there. But yeah, it's another issue that I am currently going to need to fix. So yeah, for some reason, one day when I started, it all of a sudden just started leaking down there and started smoking. It wasn't doing this when I first bought it, so, and I've barely driven it. Like, I haven't barely driven it at all since I got it, and then all of a sudden it started to smoke from here. So yeah, I know, a bit frustrating, but yeah, this engine needs quite a bit of work and probably more money spent, yeah, than I originally thought. So yeah, that is another issue that's definitely going to need to be fixed. I can't drive it like that, obviously, but getting that sort of thing fixed and probably rebuilt, you know, is at least going to cost $1,000–2,000. If it doesn't need, yeah, another turbo. So it starts, like, it runs, the RPMs are high, it is revving quite high, and then yeah, there is this issue with the smoke, and there's still a bit of smoke coming from the exhaust. So yeah, we got a few issues here, guys, that we definitely need to get on top of. But yeah, just the money's running. The money is running pretty low at the moment to be able to, like, take it to a mechanic. I can't really do this stuff myself. So, but hey, that's all part of the fun of owning a R34 Skyline, a project car. But hey, I thought I would give you guys just a cold start so you can hear the Skyline for the first time. I thought that was a pretty cool moment, just to share with you guys that it runs, see what you can hear what it sounds like, and But yeah, but still probably a long way off getting it on the road. Yeah, even to get it like a Warren Fitness or something, gonna have to get these mechanical issues sorted first. But hopefully you guys enjoyed hearing the Skyline for the first time. It does sound really nice, but unfortunately, yeah, we've got a few issues to get on top of, and that needs sorting. And yeah, probably gonna have to get some help from some mates, or take it into a mechanic, you know, and they aren't cheap, so gotta save my pennies. Hopefully you guys can help me support the channel. Yeah, that would be awesome. Share, like, subscribe, really help push out my content out there. I really appreciate your guys' support so far. So if you guys want to go check out this one, and we'll see you there.